What's going on, chicas? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I fill in my brows. Mainly I use Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the brow definer right here in the color Ebony. I have tried the Benefit Gimme Brow and the Contour Pro Brow Pencil, but I feel as though Anastasia definitely has the game when it comes to the eyebrows. So I just line it up really where the contour starts on my nose. That's really where your eyebrow should start. And then the shape really is preference, but basically it should start at the nose and the tail should end around where your outer V is on your eyelid. And here I'm just lining it up. Look at me lining it up. That's basically all I do. This is usually my bad brow. I don't like this brow. I like the other brow better. There's always one bad brow, but remember, brows are sisters. They are never, ever, ever going to be twins. So just do your best. And to get the ombre brow, you want to use that spoolie that comes with the brow pencils. It really helps to diffuse the eyebrow that's closest to, the part that's closest to your nose, and they'll give you that ombre effect. Here is that Brow Contour Pro pencil I was telling you about from Benefit. I used up the brow color, but I still use it to define the brows because it has a bunch of different pencils in there, and I really like it to diffuse, to clean up the brows. It's like a mini concealer. It's great. And then I do like to go in with some brow gel after I blend in that concealer because we don't want any lines around your eyebrows. So that's Gimme Brow from Benefit. I like it, but I just feel like Anastasia is better. And I like to coat my brows just once is enough, and I coat them brushing the hairs up. And then I recently, not recently, but maybe like a year now, I discovered the brow pen, and I can draw little itty bitty hairs where I'm bald, which is mainly where the nose meets. And this really gives the eyebrows a more natural look because it looks like hairs. I'm drawing little itty bitty hairs, but in reality it's all makeup. And that is it, y'all. That is my brow tutorial. Here they are with some makeup on. Be on the lookout for this makeup tutorial coming your way very soon.